Hello everybody, I am back again for another Sheila Show Me. Some of you may have noticed that I haven't been about for a wee while. I am also the rental manager here, so for anyone new to the industry, considering a motorhome, not too sure, please drop me a message and I can show you our rental options. Today with me, I'm going to show you a brand new Rapido C86. Isn't it lovely? Comes with a massive garage in the back, removable carpets, reverse camera, the works, but let's hop right inside. So this is the main heart of the vehicle, your living area. Of course, this does make up a first berth. This is a 3-berth 4-belt. So in this vehicle, there is a lovely upholstery. I'm going to write it down for you. It's Milan, in case I get it wrong, and Bellagio wood finish, which is just really nice and bright and really opens up the whole vehicle, along with the lovely panoramic window just above here. Of course, this table does fold out as and when required, but come on up and I'll show you the dash. So you do have your multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth connectivity. Then across you have your 6.9 inch touchscreen. Now it isn't on just yet. Once the vehicle is purchased, we then hardwire it all, but it does come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, everything. You have your aircon, different USB ports here for the new USB and the older version, and then your 12-volt plug-in as well. So here is your main kitchen area. Now this is a compact model, so you do have your 2 gas hob just here, just on the countertop, and your lovely sink just there as well. And then you do have a ton of storage. Now, just like any of the other new Rapido models, you do have a locking mechanism here, and you just click that button, and now when you're travelling, your cabinets are all locked and secure. Across you have a lovely TV bracket here built in, and then up above is your heating system and your control panel. Moving down, your full fridge with a freezer compartment, and above that is your Dometic grill and oven just in there. Now down to the good part. So here is the master bedroom. Of course, this bed does fold out, but during the day you have that extra room and you can just push it back as it is right now. In here, you have your storage just in below the bed, and that does just hold freestanding, and then when you're finished, you just click it out of place and that pops back down again. Of course, there is USB points just at the bedside there. And then there is lovely open lights and lots of cabinet space as well. You do have a TV plug-in point just in here if you want to make your way around. Just up there, and it is HDMI ready as well. So you do have several privacy doors in this vehicle, this being one and another right here. Starting in the toilet on one side of your privacy door. So lovely, spacious and bright toilet, and then you have this lovely cabinet area just here. That is our camera woman, and then you can pull this across and you have more storage. So you can choose to have that as his and her storage, or just take it all for yourself. And then of course you have a lovely separate shower as well. And there we have it. That is a brand new Rapido C86. Lovely vehicle. If there's anything else you would like to see, I can go through the outside storage. That rear bed, it actually goes up and down as well. It's height adjustable, and there is an outside shower point. Please let me know if you want to see any more about the vehicle. I can certainly make up the single bed here for you as well. You can contact me directly 028 9269 3999 and just ask for Sheila. You can drop a message and I will pick all of them up as well. Or you can email me marketing@thompsonleisure.com, and I will see you in the next video.